In a world of blockbuster movies and videos with awesome motion graphics and cool visual effects, lies the bill of the expensive software used to make all those effects. Until now, there's actually free video compositing software, like really legally free software. The software is Blackmagic Fusion 9.0. And now, Tony Teach presents Blackmagic Fusion 9.0 Basic Training. One man stands alone to...
Hey, Bob.
Yeah, Tony?
I think I got it from here.
Oh, okay.
This is Tony Ross of TonyTeach.com, and in this course, Blackmagic Fusion 9.0 Basic Training, I'll not only show you the basics of this powerful software, but I'll walk you through several projects and workflows of how to use Blackmagic Fusion. You can even check out the first lesson for free. And if you take this class and you're not satisfied, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. So go ahead and sign up for this class now, and let's get going with Fusion 9 Basic Training.
Sorry, was I over the top again?
Nah, dude. Just the right amount.